Welcome back to my channel. It's America Riley, and today I'm going to be talking about how to make money on TikTok. Now, I've made about $2,000 within 1 year on TikTok. I could have made more, but you know, if you know me, I just had a baby, so I was really sick during my pregnancy, and I had to take like literally 7 months off, 8 months off, and it prevented me from making videos. But I'm going to teach you how to make money on TikTok. So I have my notebook right here, and I have 4 steps. These are my 4 steps that I use to make money on TikTok. So the first step is you want to post 5 to 7 videos a day. And you're like, a day? That's a lot of videos. But one of those videos got to blow up. So this is why I say post 5 to 7 videos a day. Hop on trends. The faster you hop on a trend, the easier it is to get followers and people to view your videos. People talk about having a niche. I personally make videos based on my military experience, having a baby, being a mom, my love life, my life on a daily basis, making food, anything you want. I don't believe in having a niche. Be who you are, because having a niche, yes, it attracts people who do what you do, but if you like to do a lot of things, just do what you like to do. I like to make, like I said, videos on everything. It's my life. I don't have to simplify I don't have to make myself smaller or simplify myself to only talking about one thing. I talk about everything. Do what you do. So if you like makeup and you only like makeup, make videos on makeup. But if you like doing makeup and hair, do both. So what? Who cares? I don't believe in that niche stuff. Step 2 is learning your algorithm. So after you make like your 5 to 7 videos and stuff, whatever you make your videos on, learn your audience. If your audience is mostly boys, make videos geared towards boys. Females, make more relatable videos towards females or for females. See where they're airing your videos. If it's mostly like in the UK or US, like I said, learn your algorithm. Learn who watches your videos, where they're watching your videos at. Learn what times of the day that they're watching your videos, so you can post around those times of the day. Same with like Instagram Reels and stuff like that, but we're not talking about that. We're talking about TikTok. In order to actually earn money on TikTok, you have to have 10,000 followers or more to use a creator's tool. But when you're following the first 2 steps, it should be easy to gain your 10,000 followers. I have about 300,000 followers on TikTok, but the way I got my 3,000 followers on TikTok is by doing the first 2 steps. Posting 5 to 7 videos a day. I posted like 10 videos a day sometimes. And learning my algorithm. Making videos on what I want to make videos on, and not simplifying myself to making videos on one niche. I like to do a lot of things, so I post a video on a lot of things. Oh, use hashtags. For You page. Some people say don't use hashtag FYP. I use it all the time. And make your own hashtag. People are going to get curious and be like, what hashtag is that? I've never seen that hashtag before. So use your own hashtag. For example, I made a hashtag on me, and it's called A Riley Gang. No one ever has used A Riley Gang, and A Riley Gang stands for America Riley Gang. Some people have like besties or cousins, you know how people do on YouTube and stuff, but I have A Riley Gang. So make your own hashtag. Last step is consistency. I am one to talk because I wasn't consistent, but when I was consistent, I was seeing more growth. I was seeing more money. Be consistent. And that's one thing I'm working on, is being consistent, because I want to make more money on TikTok. I want to be able to use this to my advantage. And it's fun. And that's how also I gained a lot of followers. I went from 10,000 followers to 50,000 followers. Being consistent and making trending videos and making relatable videos. People liked what I was putting out there. I don't have a niche. I am very all over the place. And people like that. Make sure you like and subscribe. Comment down below for more tips, and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.